Well, Gareth Edwards and all the boys, many congratulations. How are you feeling at this moment?
Great! Champagne stuff. Oh, that's tremendous. Well, just gonna look at the boys, haven't you? This chap played like 4 lions, all again. Everyone of them gave it their best. It was excellent. It was easy, but really, the boys played so well, it was easy.
Were you happy enough when you turned round, even, Stephen, at 3-3 at half-time?
Disappointed, I want to be 20 points up. No, but it was more than, I think it was more than enough. More than enough, yes.
Barry John, you again had a magnificent game, as indeed everybody did. How did you feel at all? You had appeared to be a very bad bump at one point.
I think that's the worst bump I've had for a long time, but possibly it spurred me on to do something. Well, I gave away the first penalty. So I had to try and make it up. And we did some good work in the second half.
Keith Jarrett, we thought you were doing exactly the same as you did 2 years ago when you made your debut here. You had a superb game.
Oh, it was a complete team effort. Great to be in the side.
And John Williams, I feel that you played certainly your best international for Wales so far. Were you happy with your performance and with the game itself?
Well, how can you not be satisfied with a win like that? Tremendous. All the boys, tremendous. That's all I can say.
Your fielding and positioning was about the best you've ever done. You were really tested in the first half with some very high kicks and a bad wind there.
I realised that Finland would probably try and put them up, as he did against Scotland, and stood back, tried to came up in the second half. Managed to get a few in the first half. Give me confidence.
Well done. Let's have a quick word of Delmay Thomas. Delmay standing in for the ex-captain Brian Price. Did you enjoy the game?
Very much indeed, yes, very much indeed. It was a great game.
Cheers,
Great
boys. Look at the pictures. Cheers, boys.
Better grab a glass in here.
So toast to New Zealand, boys.
Let's toast.
Let's have a toast to everyone.
Crown, boys.
The coach and all.
Let's have a taste. The Triple Crown first.
Right.
Championship next.
Oh, why? I know the Brian.
New Zealand.
Great price on New Zealand, boys.
Yes.
Well, Ray Williams, as the national coaching organiser, you must be as pleased as anybody about this. How do you feel about the game?
Tremendous. I think that no one now can say that coaching isn't, in the best interest of rugby football, because we saw it all there. Wonderful quality and a tremendous game.
Chairman of the selectors, what's your reaction now?
Well, it's overwhelming. It's absolutely fabulous. And out of this world, for a selector, for a player, for all the people of Wales, I think. 64 points.
Marvellous.
In 2 Triple Crown matches on the Arms Park.
And standing alongside you here, we've got the coach to the very successful side. Congratulations, Clive Rowlands. What's your immediate reaction now?
Oh, absolutely delighted. They played superbly. I'm really, I've lost for words, really.
And we're all particularly delighted at Delmay Thomas's performance, fitting, as you said, into the team.
Well, let's be fair to the boys who haven't played as well. The Ray Hopkins and Phil has played in one part of the game. They've all formed this team, and it's really tremendous, from the president of the union right down to the selectors and everything. They've all been as a team, and it's, well, I'm nearly crying now, so I better go in and see them.
Do you see this as a great omen now for New Zealand?
Well, we're halfway through the tour and we're unbeaten.
And who's got a John, keep up.